I'm Dwayne Pinnell with Transwest Truck Trailer RV, and I'm in the Belton store. That's on the south side of Kansas City. Today I wanted to show you a 2022 Tiffin Phaeton, and this is a really great coach. So the Phaeton was the #1 selling Class A coach in the country for almost 14 years. Now currently that's not the case, but still, what a great little elegant coach, and Tiffin sells the heck out of these things. They are just beautiful, well made, and you're going to see that whenever we go through this video. Now of course we're not going to be able to show you everything about this coach, so we want to show you some of the highlights and certainly the inside of the coach so you can get an idea. And if there's something that you like about the coach, something you want to know more information about it, I'm going to give you my contact information at the end so you can contact me and we can go ahead and talk about that. I can tell you other features of it. I can answer those questions for you. If something I don't know, certainly we'll find out and get back to you. But let's go ahead and start into the video with the cab area of this 2022 Phaeton. I'm of course sitting in the cockpit here at the driver's seat, and first of all we're on a Freightliner chassis on this coach. Now we have a 380 horsepower Cummins engine, and you do have an Allison transmission. You've got your light controls here, your brake here, and the steering wheel is a smart steering wheel. You can run your phone from it, and you can do your volume. You can check some of the stats on your coach, what's going on with that, the miles. You can check temperatures in the nice digital dash. We have a great camera view for the coach here, so your backup cameras, etc., and you have the nice Kenwood stereo system here in the dash as well. Great drawer for those things that you might need to carry along with you. And then on my left, a cup holder, and this does have the hydraulic jacks on it as well. And again, I told you that it's a smart steering wheel. It will drop into place for you also. And you do have pedal adjustments on the coach, handled right here from the steering column, and just really nicely well laid out. This for the driver is great, the angle here so that you can see those cameras very easily and watch the road ahead of you. You have left and right camera views for the coach. Whenever your blinker's on the left, of course, or on the right, you see those sides of the coaches going down the road to help you with what is in the space so you know whether it is safe to change lanes or not. And then at the doorway, nice graded doorway entry there, so if you have pets, that's going to keep them from just bursting out through that screen if the door's open, the main door's open, and you want to get fresh air and the pets want to look out and bark at those things going by, which is typically the case. Great comfortable seats here. Of course they will spin around, and you do have arm adjustments here, so simply by lifting up on these paddles on the ends of these, you can set them for the height that's most comfortable for you, either in the passenger seat or the driver's seat. Just inside the door, there's a control panel, so you can turn on the lighting before you step inside. And there's also a light control here at the passenger seat, so you can control many of the lights throughout the coach. You can do the door unlock. Of course, you have the step cover deployment, which is right under the main floor, so the person seated in the passenger seat doesn't let their feet just dangle. They have a floor space that they can actually utilize while going down the road. Now, stepping back through the coach, of course, to my right and your left as you're viewing, we've got the nice theater seatings that are under power. You can recline those. Great bolstering, very comfy. Also storage between with cup holders. And then you have USB ports also on either side, so keep that phone charged and plugged in. Plenty of, this is the TV up and down, but there's plenty of light controls around the coach, and this is the spider system in the coach, so very easily turning the lights, easy to turn the lights on and off, and other features of the coach. You can link that up to a phone app as well and control things from your phone. We have a great Televator TV, and I call these a tower of power, so also conveniently located for the people on this passenger side in this space. They have USB ports, electrical outlets, and if you'll see the island here, great feature. You've even got electrical right here. Very convenient for the person sitting in this space, or maybe even for countertop appliances as this is extended to expose that. Pull out drawers, great silverware drawer, and nice hardwood as far as the finishes. The light, bright painted cabinets make it very light and airy in here with the darker wallboard. The accent lighting, just beautiful. And as far as sleeping space, this behind me will make a bed, as well as the booth dinette here, which the table will drop into place. There's a cushion that goes on the top of the table then to make a nice space for bedding right there for anyone who's, you know, certainly the right size to fit in that space. And also you've got drawers on either side for more storage. Certainly one can't have enough storage in a coach. And pound for pound, Tiffin probably has more cabinet space than anyone in the industry as far as the cabinet height and just the number of storage cabinets you have all throughout the coach. Stepping over here, now you might think that this is a dishwasher. In this particular model, we did not do a dishwasher when we ordered it. It is a storage drawer, nice and big for your pots and pans that could go in that space, and then a drawer just above that as well. This is great 3-burner cooktop gas. Beautiful solid surface cabinetry. We've got the large kitchen window and still more power outlets with USBs. Can't have enough of those, and Tiffin didn't spare anything when they were putting those in here, which is awesome. Microwave convection oven, nice and large for those items that you can cook in there. And then storage cabinets with drawers, pull-outs. And this coach, again, I told you, has the Cummins 380 horsepower engine. Now this is the 37 BH coach. It's a bath and a half coach. And moving back through, we'll show that you've got a double stainless steel sink, the large side, and the small side. And we have winterized these coaches. Again, we're in the Kansas City area. We do get some really cold weather here, so we want to make sure that the coaches are protected, free of any water in them that would freeze and cause a problem. Nice trash can for under the sink. You've got a rack for these tops to be stored when you're stopped and in place camping, so you don't have to take those on and off and not have a place to store them. More light controls. Huge residential refrigerator, and this is the LG, and they're a great appliance. You do have a lock mechanism on them, both at the top double doors here and on your freezer drawer below. Nice tray, drops the ice into this space, and you have the ice and water system right in the door on this side also. Great half bath. This is the one that would be used going down the road. That's the accessible one, of course. Great decor continued on in this space. Little window in the bathroom. And then we've got medicine cabinet here. Plenty of storage. Little drawer. Little toiletries possibly. Washcloths, and then storage beneath for toilet paper and cleaning supplies, anything that you'd want there. Towel racks. Great thought, even in this space, because it generally is going to be a his and hers. He gets to use the shower space whenever, of course, you need a shower, but otherwise this might be his bathroom. And then here's the spider control. Again, all the different options you have. This is the climate area. Going from the home, you've got the lighting, You can see your water tanks from here. You can see the house and the chassis voltage on the batteries. Lighting, more battery, the thermostat, the slide controls. You can control the slides from right back here as well. System setup, you've got the galley fan, mid-bath fan.